What a huge pump for Sofi after a good earnings. We have 8% suppress. We talked about this play in our Power Hour on Friday and our Patreon before the market close, and we opened 2,400 shares of Sofi. When the market opened, we held it because the price held our support, and we said if we held over the $10, we're gonna have another pump. So we took profit around the 11.37. We exited around 11 fill price, around the 11.27, and we exited with this profit, and the market open, and even some of our hunter took profit around the 11%. So good hunt, ghost wolf, ghost wolf. So good hunt, brother. And now we have to discuss Sofi for the price target. We have to discuss Netflix because the price reversed from the bottom 411. We have to discuss Nikola because it's testing the breakout zone around the $2.79. TUP because it's testing our profit taking, but now is resistant around the $4.67. And Tesla, of course, because it's still holding our bottom price. So let's get right to it and discuss Sofi. What a huge pump, guys. It was a great pump because we spotted this flag. The price was trending here sideways, and we bought around this level before the market closed. Then the price jumped in pre-market today, have a bit of selling pressure, then pump once again. It was good profit and good earnings for Sofi. Now we have to confirm a continuation for Sofi price action because today the volume, 175 million. This is not normal. We need to have a confirmation for a continuation for this price action for this week and next month, of course, because next month or tomorrow is August. The $10 right now is our support, or the second support. The second or the first support is around the $11 to be exact. We already have a test here. Profit taken, if we already held over the $11, is the $13.10. So this is the profit taken that we should watch Sofi to hit it this week. And this is the reaction that we want to have for Sofi for this week, holding over the $11 in order to have the $13.10. For Tesla and Netflix, both of them looking good. And we already discussed them before for potential reversal and entry for this stock, and our update that we always do on our Patreon Discord and even on our live streaming. And we suggest to buy Tesla and Momo because you can actually win free stocks on Momo, and one of them actually is Tesla. You see here we have Tesla, EXPE, and other 15 free stocks. And you see here the stocks is we have ALL, we have GRB, Amazon, many stocks. And how you win those stocks is just really simple. Buy deposit $100 in order to get 5 free stocks in total. The link in comment section below if you're interested to buy those stocks or to win those stocks. And this offer ends on the end of the next month in August. So let's get back to Tesla because Tesla is getting near the 273. This is our resistance that we should break for Tesla in order to go toward the 284. And of course, the level that we have to break for Tesla this year, for my opinion, is around the 313. If we broke this level, it means Tesla will go to all-time high and squeeze once more. And the earning was not bad, 14%. However, as we said, this is not normal reaction because we have a shakedown from the short seller. Price went down. Now we have our bottom, double bottom. The confirmation for a reversal, the first confirmation, of course, is the 273 break. So today we have a huge volume, but nothing much, just 1%. Netflix, on the other hand, looking better because today almost 3%. We held over the 411. We have another support, 424. The same, we have good earnings, but the price went down. So now we have to watch for the 400 and 53, which is profit taken. After that, the 495. So the price target, for my opinion, for Netflix next week is around the 500. Next up, we got Nikola. Watch out for Nikola because the price start to squeeze, and we already discussed Nikola on our Hunter channel on YouTube, and we discussed this breakout zone here. So it was a good trade for Nikola for today in our live streaming. Price went up and hit our profit taken as we suggested around the $2.79. The prices still have a hold up here. As long as we hold over this current support, the $2.34, we might have another kick toward the $2.95 and the $3.24, not 200. $2.95. I just misspelled that because we talk about Tesla, which is 200. That's why I mixed the number by $2 to 200. Anyway, $2.95 and the $3.24. Don't say that Jesus actually pumped the stock to 200. Okay, I just want to clarify some things here. So as we said, the $3.24 is our level to take profit at after we break the $2.79. And guess what? We have earnings coming up in just 4 days for Nikola. So expect a huge volatility for Nikola. If the price is still accumulating and still testing this resistance and we don't have a breakout and we have bad earnings, this means a huge sell-off down toward this box around the $1.73, $1.50. Nikola is pretty volatile. We can jump 20%. You see today we jumped 20%. Sometimes we jump 70%. But if we dump down, we might have a huge selling pressure. So watch out. We need to hold the $2.34 to confirm a continuation and strength in this chart because in big picture, looking beautiful. Look at this huge triangle. Now we have our breakout. And of course, those not just the level for profit taking because we might have a gap for Nikola in pre-market over the $3.24. So we have to do urgent update on our Discord and Patreon as well. Okay, so expect those updates because we always do pre-market update before the market open. And of course, after our live streaming, after each live streaming, we do day trade and swing trade chart analysis update. Next up, we got TUP. What's going on with TUP? Yes, we have our breakout and at the market open around the $3.59 and the price squeeze until the $4.67. The $4.67 was our profit taking. That's why we got rejected and price went down. Let me just check how much we did. 14% down. So this is normal, 14% down, but now is 34% up. So this is normal. The price usually, always, when it go down for those stocks, 14% is really big for Tesla. But for TUP and the other stocks, it's really normal to have this huge selling pressure. So don't compare normal stock like blue chip company like Netflix or Tesla, buy those stocks because 14% for Tesla is a huge drop down. There is a major fundamental news that affect the price to go down, and we have to clarify what's happened. But for TUP is normal because we already did 35% or even 50% for today. To confirm that we have a strength and continuation higher, we need to hold the $3.45, then breaking the $4.67 to go to the first profit taking around the $5.56. Let me just check how much we can do after this pump. Almost 20%. And this is again the same as for Nikola. This is just the first profit taken because we might have a gap over this level and we're going to do update as usual around or at our Patreon and Discord. If that happened after hours or pre-market, we have to do urgent update, chart analysis update, of course. So as we said, $3.45 is our support. The bottom price right now changed from this level, the $2 and the $1.64, toward the $2.68. I'm talking about the big picture here for the next month. Because if we dropped below the $2.68, it means a sell-off and something is wrong. Okay, because look at this. If we jump down 44%, yes, there's something is wrong. But 20%, 15% is mean just correction. So we're gonna do update for TUP and Nikola, both of them, because both of them have earnings. For TUP, earnings just in 2 days. Let me just check exactly when. Yeah, in Wednesday, but is not confirmed yet in pre-market or after hours. We're gonna confirm that on Wednesday. For Nikola, we have the earnings in Friday. The same is not confirmed yet in pre-market or after hours. However, watch huge volatility or prepare for a huge volatility for both of them on the earning day for those stocks. So we have to watch for those two stocks for potential entry and exit to make profit, of course. That's why we're here. That's why we called our hunter channel a hunter channel. It means we enter, take profit, wait for a reversal, let the hidden seller go, then we buy with the market maker at the bottom price. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in tomorrow hunt, where we're gonna do live streaming around 3 p.m. CET. And if you are already a hunter, on our Discord and Patreon, expect our update, urgent update for mini stock, with on here on swing trade and day trade, when we always do updates for mini stocks. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next update.